wake up! I think it's morning already.
Where are we? Oh, right. We spent the night at Marie's place.
Yeah, yesterday was so much fun. Cartoons, pillows, and cookies.
Good morning, sleepy dumplings. Time to get up. Today we're making breakfast together. Today we're having a super breakfast. I'll make the omelet, Chen will make the sandwiches, and Hob will make sure everything is fun.
Bread, butter, cheese, and here's the ham. Let's make some sandwich.
Cheese,
奶酪
bread,
面包
butter,
奶油
ham,
火腿
I like mine toasted.
toast,
吐司
milk,
牛奶
egg,
鸡蛋
The omelet's going to have bacon. Chen, can you slice some?
bacon,
培根
With pleasure.
Smells like a cafe. We also need to cook porridge. Where do you keep the cereals?
cereals,
玉米片
Pancakes are ready. Who wants some with sour cream?
pancake,
薄饼
sour cream,
酸奶油
yogurt,
酸奶
sausage,
肠
Me, can I have a banana with it too? And here's the porridge, hot and tasty.
porridge,
粥
Giraffes say a good day starts with porridge. What's that black drink? We're kids, we don't drink coffee.
Right, that's coffee, but it's not for us.
It's for my dad. He always drinks coffee before work.
coffee,
咖啡 Good morning, little chefs. Wow, what a delicious looking breakfast.
Here's your coffee, Dad.
Thanks, Mari. You guys did an amazing job. I've got to go. See you.
Have a great day, Mr. Jones.
You too, chefs. Bye.
yogurt,
酸奶
ham,
火腿
bacon,
培根
cereals,
玉米片
toast,
吐司
coffee,
咖啡
pancake,
薄饼
butter,
奶油
cheese,
奶酪
porridge,
粥
milk,
牛奶
sausage,
肠
bread,
面包
sour cream,
酸奶油
egg,
鸡蛋